What's up guys, my name is Alan Crit and today I've come with a new video on Subway Surfers World Tour Bali. Actually, I'm playing this game after many 1 year, 2 year, 1.5 year, and I've already played a bit, like two chances, and my highest is 3,333. You won't believe it, like it's really like rare. You got all the phone numbers same in meters. So I made a video on that, but that didn't go really as well as I thought. So I've come again in a new video. And there are many changes, like in the beginning that time they used to tell us now you're ready and go, but not now. Just decrease the volume. Yeah, here we are. Oh, it is again gonna lag. It is again gonna lag. So I'm ready this time. I have to score 10,000 at least. I'm gonna break my new record. You can see my new best record is decreasing. Whoa. Please, nothing bad. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm not gonna miss this. Oh, come on. I wish we had more time for this. I'll just wait, what? What? That's just for trying? Never like jump 20 times. Yeah, okay. Okay, I've almost bet my record it's come below 1,500. Oh my. What was that for? Come on. I don't wanna just go away. Yeah. After beat my best score without that. Like I did it without. If I can like just see my best record, you just saw that it was like 3,333. Come on. It's actually really hard to get medals. You have to be really high. Key. Yes. Oh, good one. Currently, I'm not wasting my keys cause see what I want to do is in like until I become really good at this game and I have collected enough keys like somewhere like at least 20. No, not 20. 20 is too less actually. I thought it's like one by one. I forgot. First one, then two, then four, and then eight. That won't make any sense. So at least 50 or 100 keys, 50 to 100 keys. I'm gonna make a video and I'm gonna use all that keys in the same time just to score my highest. If that goes well enough. Like if I die just in the 100 meters, at least my first. Okay, what was that? I didn't see that. I didn't see that. I went for the mystery box. So when I become good at this game, I'll do that thing. That's my plan. I have to collect 200 coins. Wait, only 200 until now I've collected? That's like so stupid. No. Can I just go with the free one? Okay, no, I made my top run, but only 337 more. Just let's open the mystery box and we have got Ricky's hat. We can even double it now. And a new high score. What's that? Let's see. Actually, I forgot that in home we get something for like me, topper. Wait, what? I forgot. I totally forgot. Wait. What? Me, right? It's me. Me. Wait, no. Yeah, awards. Okay, I'm not gonna. Like, complete 7 missions. 2 characters. That's easy. Clearly, okay, what's that? Token box? Okay, let's open this. I don't know what is this. No, come on, I wanted 14 more. No, 14 I got. Whoa. Crazy, I got 14. That's so much. So, thank you guys for watching. And hope you enjoyed this video. And please subscribe in my old videos actually I saw many views and like I hardly got any subscribers. So I want to go to 10 subscribers and I'm only 8 subscribers, just 2 subscribers, and those 8 subscribers are from past 2 months. Please guys, whoever is seeing this video, please subscribe, and if you have already subscribed, please like, share and comment it. Actually most of my videos are disabled from comments because I don't want any wrong comments or any offended ones. You can, and if you're thinking I'm playing bad at this game, that's because I forgot. So please don't think I forgot some trick or what. Just please subscribe. Please. Road to 10 subscribers. 2 more required. Any 2 of you. I'll be really grateful to you all. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, and like. Bye.